Hi, Sam from DIB Audio Visual, coming to you today with another update on an exciting product trend in our industry, and just a couple of things about us at DIB Audio Visual. We believe that the simpler we can make audio-visual solutions, the better the utilisation will be. So we focus really heavily on finding simple solutions to problems. We believe that complexity is largely a result of poor design or poor understanding of the end user's needs, and sometimes there's many reasons why that can occur. And at DIB Audio Visual, we're not aligned with single vendors. We're constantly working with an array of leading industry partners to understand what solutions are available and which solutions solve real problems and which solutions are bleeding edge and maybe shouldn't be embarked on right now, and basically to understand what's available and bring the best of all breeds of products to our clients. Today, coming to you talking about a topic of digital signage. It's something that many of our clients want solutions to, or have implemented some solutions for, with a mixed array of results. And the thing that really gets in the way a lot of the time is simplicity. Either the systems are too complicated and people don't have the time or the ability to manage them. And this then results in content that is out of date, or screens that are not turned on, or all sorts of simple problems that result in no utilisation. So I've got a product here with me today that I wanted to just draw to your attention and show you a couple of things about down here. So fundamentally what we're looking at here is obviously an LCD panel, and there's a range of vendors in the space. We work quite closely with Philips, and they make a high quality, very well priced product as a general rule. This is a D series product, and basically is a commercial screen that has an Android engine of sorts on board, basically its own little computer. And to use it as a signage display, we take the product and we network it. Could be Wi-Fi. In this case, it's plugged into a hardwired network socket. You can see we've got power, we've got network. That's all we've got. And then there's a range of apps that we can use. This is called software on chip. Depending on what the client's needs are, once we establish what you want to, how complex you want your signage to be, or how elaborate or how simple, who the users are going to be for your signage, and what's going to be the best way for you to update it, then we can select the appropriate partner product. But essentially, you have the display, you have an app installed on it, you pay a license fee, and again, the license fees vary from more significant to quite small. But the end result is a very simple system, and in this case, with this particular product here today, I wanted to show you this Fusion signage product. Basically, this is what I've got running down there. This is a cloud-based portal, and I can see my screens, I can see what I'm using. In this case, I've just got one demo screen running here. I can have a media library I can just add content to. I've got this content here called space content that we knocked up, and adding content's easy. I can just drag and drop files and bring them in and set that up. I can create playlists, and for a lot of schools or organisations, having schedules and trying to plan the content just adds to the complexity and the difficulty. Just having simple playlists is often an easy way to do it. This one I just called Space Stuff. We can add content into the playlist just like that and go in and grab it out of here, and you can see it just falling straight in behind. And then once I've got the content in there, I can just drag it around and change the order of it, and I can say, yeah, I want that up there for 10 seconds. So really simple to lay out the slideshow. I've got a little bit of a preview going here, and then when I'm done, I just go publish. And that runs off, in this case, into the cloud, and then my screen, which I have sitting down here, will download the latest content and refresh. Usually it takes a few minutes before it downloads, and if I lose the internet connection, then it just keeps playing the content however I left it. We can set up more elaborate schedules if we want, but this particular product, and there are different There are different software-on-chip products and different providers. This is an example of a very simple one that we quite like for many of our clients that just want something that's easy to use. It has a limited feature set, but this one in the Pro version, we can still schedule screens, we can still group screens, we can run them individually. We can have different users logging in and adding content. It's just a lower cost, simple solution to the problem of signage. So anyway, if you're interested in digital signage and easy to use solutions, then don't hesitate to get in touch with us at DIB Audio Visual. You can contact us at info@DIBaustralia.com.au, or you can call us via the telephone 9457 4800 and ask to speak with one of our consultants. Thank you.